girl.
Just chewing on the phone.
Oh, you missed it, Peyton. That kid just jumped off the roof.
Look, watch that kid jump
Rookie,
off the
don't eat the camera.
roof. Watch that kid jump off the roof.